Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We have a spectacular home to view today with the Oregon Mountains right behind me, in which from your backyard you have a beautiful view of the Oregon Mountains. So let's go after it right now. Okay guys, hey, welcome again. We have a beautiful home. This is the home that we are going to feature. Over 2,700 square feet, over, 0.34 acres, so more than quarter of an acre, in this beautiful large house with the spectacular views of the Oregon Mountains, and we'll see them when we go to the backyard. Okay guys, so we're in the house. Throughout the house, you're gonna see it has beautiful skylights for natural light. Nice house, big house. I love that there's 2 bedrooms, bathroom, primary. You'll see it's a beautiful home. So this is, when you come into the house, this is what you're gonna see first, right? Like the floor. One of our viewers was telling us, that he learned the hard way of the importance of, let me show you, and I'll tell you what he shared with me. The importance of calling first instead of selling his house and then coming and buying one. He sold his house, he moved, but then what ended up happening was he was not able to buy a house where he moved to. Why would you think if he sold his house, had some money, he was not able to buy a house where he was? Well, I'll tell you why. First of all, let's continue seeing the house. Very good size. And then we head into the living room. The ceilings are about 12 feet tall. This is a custom home in Las Cruces, New Mexico. We definitely have plenty of homes here. Right now, as you may know, this is a buyer's market. So if you are looking to buy a home, this is when the interest rates did drop. So it's a wonderful time. Look at that huge living room. I love all those nichos here. You see that? Built-ins right there, beautiful. Working on a puzzle, huh? Yeah. Talk about how much time does it take you to build one of these? Let me know in the comments. Yeah. So anyways, so back to that story. So he sold his house, different state, moved to another state. He had money, but he could not buy a house. Why? He had to get a mortgage. So there was no lender that would give him, or that would give him a loan. And that was because he didn't have a job. So that's why it's super important you guys call us before. We have a very good lender that is very knowledgeable, and if you have any kind of questions that are lender related, please give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. We'll be more than happy to connect you with him. That way you guys can ask any questions. You always want to have a smooth move to Las Cruces, especially if you already sold a home over there. But before you do that, just give us a call, whether you're moving in 1 week, 12 weeks, 36 months, it doesn't matter. Give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email, That way you guys can make a smooth move to Las Cruces, New Mexico. Now let's continue going. This is a beautiful kitchen. I love these little pendant lights, right? You guys tell me what you would use this room for. The wonderful thing is that it's got refrigerated air. It feels wonderful in here, really cool. Large area. So it's either a theater room, okay? It could be an exercise room. I don't know. You guys tell me what you would use this area for. Large custom home. So are you looking for a home in Las Cruces, New Mexico? We have plenty, guys. Give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. We'll be happy to make a smooth move to Las Cruces, New Mexico. Hey guys, stop. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Tap that bell for notifications so you guys can be the first to know about the current market here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. Yes, guys, please subscribe. We're almost hitting 1,000, and in order for us to continue making these kind of videos, we do need your support. You do have a gate back here on the street that you can come into. This is the side of the house. You have your storage room over here, which is fantastic. And then you have this really nice rock wall that, you know, it gives very common, and it's because of the winds out here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. That's why you see a lot of that. And then I'm going to show you the views. I'll show you how I see the mountains, because, you know, the mountains are over there, but that's not how I see them. That's the camera, right? So this is how I see them. Let me see. This is how I see those mountains. So that's the detail that I see. Beautiful. So you can imagine being out here with the family and then just enjoying this backyard. Hey guys, let me know. Put some likes there, please. Share the video. Subscribe, please, if you haven't subscribed. Help us grow the channel. Here we go. This is another view of the home on this side. I love it because, you know, there's so much shade in the afternoons here. All right, guys, let me know what you think of the house. And I am going to do a community drive so you guys can see it as well. You know, I always include it. If you have any suggestions on videos, please let me know. Please subscribe if you have not done so. If you have any questions, give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. Thank you for watching. Let's go see the community.